If you're encountering the FIFA 24 Matchmaking Error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official FIFA or EA Sports website to check if there are any server outages or maintenance announcements. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close FIFA 24 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve temporary issues causing the error. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider restarting your router. Step 4. Clear cache. On consoles, clear the cache by turning off the console and plugging it for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. On PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the FIFA 24 installation folder and deleting the cache files. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling FIFA 24. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the matchmaking error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the matchmaking error and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to the EA support for further assistance.